Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big up on the damn self. Today I'm going to teach you how to make festival and fry fish. Yeah man, we take a day off of the farm. We are going to cook and chill on the beach. We also have two special guests from Alabama. You don't want to miss what they're going to eat. Yeah man, stay tuned. We're going to prep the stuff them in the house and then we're going to roll out on the beach. Yes people, so we have the fish them there, so now wash them up and I'll clean them up with some vinegar also, because you know, so we don't have no table at the beach, so we cannot clean them at the beach. So I'll clean them home and season them with some fish seasoning and some pepper, and that's pretty much it. We're going to put on every season them, and then we're going to make the festival after also. And I'll probably wonder what a green something in the background on my video, you know. It's the bush over there, so I have all of the powers, the healing powers, and I eat vervine, cure corona and all these things, so you know, so I have a drink with vervine tea, same way. Alright, so fish them wash and clean already. I'm gonna season them now. I use a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, and that's pretty much what I use, and some Maggi fish seasoning, yeah. So I make sure so the cavity of the fish been seasoned properly. I'm gonna make the festival dough now, so I'm gonna use about this how much? 1 cup of cornmeal. Yeah, I don't normally measure things, I just do it, you know, but people might ask me from the other day if they give them measurements, so I just try to put in little measurements, you know. So this is about a cup of cornmeal. I'm gonna use about 6 cups of flour to do with a cup of cornmeal. To using baking powder to flour, you can use 1 tablespoon of baking powder per cup, or you can use 2 teaspoons of baking powder per cup. So we just going to use since we have 6 cup of flour, I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of baking powder in this. No, I use 6, I use 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I use 5. I'm only dumpling this off. 5. Alright, so I'm going to put a pinch of salt in this. Alright, so I'm going to mix up this now, and then I'm going to put half a cup of sugar in it too. I use half cup of dark brown sugar in that mixture here. And a teaspoon of cinnamon for taste. Alright people, so while I'm off camera, a while ago I'm showing some more cornmeal on the floor, because I didn't like how it look, and it look yellow enough to me, so I'm showing some more cornmeal. Alright, so I have the cinnamon. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in it. I'm not sure how much, I look on it and put in some cinnamon. The cinnamon add flavor to it. You don't want too much in it, because sometimes it tends to give one little mouth burnish. And then I have 1 cup of sugar I'm going to put in it, in the flour. I want the festival to have a little sweetish taste. Alright, now so after this now I'm going to use some warm water, and then I'm going to add a little oil to the mixture. You can put butter if you want in it, but I'm going to use warm water to mix the flour. I always use warm water to mix your flour, or warm milk. Right now I don't have no coconut milk, that's the reason why I don't use milk. Other than that, I use coconut milk if I have milk, so I don't have no coconut milk to this, so I use water. I use water to mix this. So this is supposed to make us festival can serve for about 10 persons, I think. So I'm going to add in some warm water in this right now, and maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil I will go into this. I'm not sure, I just want to throw in some oil. Don't know, I never see granny put nothing on a spoon and measure nothing. She just mix up something and it tastes good. And me just mix up something all the while and it tastes good. So yeah. I'm gonna add in some oil in the flour. I don't know how much. I think about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. And people, if you make fried dumpling, you can do it like this too. It's just that you're not putting no sugar in the fried dumpling or the cinnamon. But at the same principle, and you just mix it in. You just mix it in, you know? So I'm going to add in the warm water in the flour now. And as I tell you in the previous videos, whenever time when I mix flour, you don't have to throw in all the water one time like I'm doing. Just take your time, you can add a little like that, and then you take time, fold it in until you get the texture of the flour you want. But me, you can just throw in all of the water me want one time and get it correct. Because like me telling you all the time, that's something I do over a period of time. Alright people, see the flour come together nice. And like me telling you, anytime you make flour, and you see that's the flour now stick to the bowl, that means to say the flour ready. The mixture is very good. And if you want to make it softer than this, you can make it softer. And then you add flour to it later on when you go make the dumpling or the festival or whatever it is you're going to do. Them. So in the meantime, what I want to know if you do, just take a minute and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, just hit the subscribe button below and support the Island Style Kitchen. Because you know, so the more you subscribe, you support my channel and make the channel grow. So I just want to know if you help me grow, you know? And like the video too. Yeah man, give the video a like and share it to the family and friends. Make them see the culture of Jamaica spread. And make all of the young people them know so right now them can cook some different food and then have running at the fast food kitchen every time. You know? They can stay home and make some nice, authentic Jamaican food. Yeah man, so we just stay tuned. We roll out and now go for the beach. Yeah man, you see Biggs here? Biggs put on the mask already, Biggs has started to find a car. Corona! Biggs here man, the mask. Hey, take a day off for your farm and just relax. Regardless of what, we just still have to live and enjoy ourselves, you know? Yeah man, so just stay tuned and enjoy what I go on today, you know? We show me there now, we have a whole heap of roundabout, you know, so we're not learning a stoplight, so we just use the roundabout them. We're going on a little view of where the place is there, what it look like. We don't always see me on the farm, don't it? So I'm going on a little view of where the place look like. We show me there, a place called Turks and Caicos. One of the most beautiful places in the world. Yeah man. They say this is the last exotic island that is beautiful by nature.
Hey baby, oh, you're good?
Boy, the girl in love of Biggs, because Biggs turned superstar per internet.
YouTube, man.
YouTube sensation Biggs. Yeah, good sign. There's not a lot of cars here, so we know it's not busy. That's a very good sign. Only 2 cars in the parking lot, so we have the beach for ourselves today. One of the fry fish festival, right? Yes, sir. So now just go and stay tuned. Man, we're there, you know? So G go here. Yeah, go and enjoy the view. Yeah, ocean view. Ocean view. Alright, so right now I'm going to catch up the fire. Alright, G, you can catch the fire? You sure? But yeah, go on YouTube with us so make sure you can catch the fire. Because people want to see it. We're going to start the cooking process now. So the oil up on the fire hot. You can put some garlic and pepper in the oil. If you want to burn, and it will give fish all like goodness and flavor. See it here? Scotch bonnet in the fire. In the oil. Give the fish close flavor. We just done fry the fish them and now I go make the Escovitch sauce. So I have some pepper, I have some onion and carrots. And I put in the oil and make this blaze up, make the sauce. And I put some pimento in it later. Now I throw in some vinegar in the pot now. Little vinegar, make the sauce. Right now I'm going to twist today on the Escovitch sauce. You know. Watch out now, what I put in the Escovitch sauce. I don't know rum, I use some rum, but I put some beer for my Escovitch sauce. See that? Yeah man, put like a beer on it. You know? Yeah, different flavor fish. Escovitch red stripe beer fish. Something different, you know? Listen, first time I try this still on people, but drink out tastes good. Yeah man, feels good man. Yeah, so the Escovitch sauce ready. I'm just going to show you over the fish them now. See it? Yeah man, sauce ready. So I'm going to just put it on the fish them. Yeah man, see it there? Just like that. Right, yeah man, so we'll put it in the festival you know? Island style kitchen, you know? People remember, you know, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And help me make the channel grow, you know? I appreciate the support. Yeah man, thanks very much. And hit the like button too and share the video. Because not at all be subscribing, you know, because not to share the video, so just share up the video. Let the people and see it and learn how to cook authentic Jamaican food, you know? Yeah man, and keep the culture alive. Nice and golden brown and soft, you know? See it? Yeah man, so I'll take out them and put in the next set of festival. Alright, so Trish and Adam is trying our Escovitch fish on our festival.
Yes.
How does it taste, Trish?
The festival tastes really good. It has a little bit of cinnamon,
Yeah.
a little bit of spice to it. It's very light. It tastes wonderful. Not too heavy.
It was tasty.
Yeah. Trish, you gotta share with Adam, Trish.
That's a good stuff.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
Okay, I'm glad you guys enjoy island style.
She's gonna eat the eyeball.
Yeah, the eyeball. Do you eat eyeballs, Trish?
I've never eaten an eyeball before.
You gonna try it?
I'm actually going to try it today.
Alright, let's see.
She's raised on the water too.
She's raised on the water?
Yes.
Nice.
See how it goes.
So. Get the bone.
Oh, the bone. Okay. How's the eyeball?
It's actually really different. It's slightly, just a little bit chewy, but it definitely has a different flavor. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's really not bad. No, not at all.
So for now, you made us eyeball eaters now.
Eyeball eaters.
I've never eaten one before, so.
The first time eating a fish eyeball.
Yes.
We're gonna have a ball eating eyeball.
Ball eating eyeball.
I mean, I'll pretty much try anything that's cooked. I won't do it raw, of course, but no, it's really different. But it was good. It I don't know how to describe the flavor of it. It was I don't know, it's really.
Compare it to the fish. Now eat the fish and see how it compares to the eyeball. And see, maybe it's the flavor of the fish. Totally different.
It's totally different. But the spice of the fish, it's like it's just enough spice, but not too much. It's really, really good.
Island style kitchen.
Island style, yes.
Ah, good stuff.
This is delicious. This is really, really good.
Better than I would ever find. I mean, this is restaurant better than restaurant.
Right, yeah. Oh my gosh, yes.
Because it's home cooked. That's right.
It's so fresh.
That's very good.
Island style kitchen is like amazing. Go there, subscribe, guys. Awesome.
Yes, Gigo. Eat a bar munch from this. Go down far, go there, Baba. Yeah, chop your mouth, hands.
Well, I tell you, I taste still, you know what I mean?
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, so I'm done now, I'm ready for eat the rest, you know what I mean?
Alright,
I just taste me, I go and taste it right now.
yeah, man, a Raymond there. It's a no knife and fork, Raymond.
One knife and fork. So we have to taste.
Yeah.
And the beef, you don't need no knife and fork.
Big, how much festival I get? What festival I get?
Go on, come.
Your last count? Yeah? Yeah, like I got to go back in that pot.
I'm going to smack something.
Your assistant chef, now me to the skill now, but see him over corner, yeah? I'm going to feed off your face.
Yeah. Keep it up, you know? Yeah, man, so as this I taste this.
Yeah.
So keep another boat. So you only need to give me keep a warm, let me go and taste it, and then you actually give me food to start eating.
But I don't know big Zaga work that out, you know.
I keep it come from West Morning. That's keep us everything when you left there in charge.
Yes, people, and see the fish and eat or feed fish, I'm telling you. See it, it's when you eat a fish, this alone supposed to left. So Giga and I, the rest of the day, the Yaya Island sitting there.
I work funny to know a bit, you know.
Alright, sir. Now, yes, not now, yes, not now, that's right.
Yeah, boy. Bad money, bad.
Yeah, man, it's Giga's a big muscle and fitness, you know. Giga, turn around people and see you, man. People don't say a big swimmer. Alright, show the people how you swim now. Look here, the big swimmer, Chico. A Giga floor. Giga! Get in here. Alright, Giga, go and practice. Yeah, still teacher, man, so real man. Yeah, give you some lessons, real man. Alright, sir. Yeah, Mr. Stick. To do one. Where's your head hard? Yes, viewers and subscriber, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Just go and stay safe and do the right thing. You don't know the usual. Like, share and subscribe. Yeah, man. See you on the next episode of the Bush Pot Cooking. Peace out. One love.